Welcome back. So, today I'm planning to show you the individual obstacles we had at 2AFSB Mysore. Basically, for the individual obstacles, there are 10 obstacles, and each of it has marks ranging from 1 to 10. So task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will have the scores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it wasn't arranged in the order of the marks, so it's all scattered here and there, and there's a little distance between each task. So you have to plan and you have to decide on which one you'll do first and what sequence you'll follow, and which all you'll complete within the allotted time of 3 minutes. So yeah, here we have to run on the ramp, jump in such a way that you don't fall into the pit. If you are able to do this successfully, you get 1 point. So for 2 marks you have the high jump, and I think it'll be as high as 2.5 feet maybe. While jumping, if you accidentally touch it but it doesn't fall, then you still get the point. Here you'll have to climb this platform. Maybe it's of a height of maybe 7.5 feet. You have to climb this, and from there you'll have to jump down on the sand. There'll be soft sand, so I guess it should be fine. If you do this, you get 3 points. This is a structure, I guess, of 6.5 to 7 feet high. You'll have to climb on it. There won't be a ladder, but there'll be small structures where you can hold on and climb. And you'll have to walk on the pole, a round wooden pole, and then climb down the structure. If you can do this, you get 4 points. This, I suppose, is a structure with a height of 10 to 12 feet, and it's called Burma Bridge. You'll have to climb the structure, and there'll be 2 ropes, and you'll have to hold one rope, the upper rope, with your hands, and the lower rope you can use for walking, and you'll have to balance and walk and then climb down the structure. If you can do this, you get 5 points. So here you'll have to run over the ramp, hold the screen, solid screen, pull yourself up, balance yourself on the solid screen, stand there and jump. Here you need to climb onto the platform, and for girls, the rope would be thrown to us. We'll have to hold it and swing and cross that line and then get off. If you're able to do this, you get 7 points. So here the rope will be red in color, and which means you cannot touch it. And the aim of the task is you'll have to pass through the tire. One simple way you can do this is by holding the tire with your hands and then pulling yourself up and passing your legs through the tire first, and then your body, then your upper body. This task is of 9 marks. Here you'll have to hold the horizontal rope with your hands and pull yourself up, and place your legs also on the horizontal rope and crawl like a monkey, and then across the whole structure, and then get off. You'll have to hold the rope as high as you can, so that will be easier, and then pull yourself up, push yourself up with the help of your legs, and touch the ribbon or any marking they have tied to the rope, and then come down in the same manner. One important thing to keep in mind is that the rope might be too sharp, so if you try to slide down, you might hurt yourself.